Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. This is Memorial Day, the day we here in the United States remember the people, the men and women who gave everything for their country while in uniform. Yes. Okay, yesterday, twofold. First, I did the creme brulee cheesecake. Yummy! It's very pretty. It looks like a big old creme brulee. I've never bruleed anything that big. It was fun. Fire! Yeah. All right. No, the cheesecake's really good. I definitely get the recipe up. And don't forget to use sugar in the raw, not regular old granulated sugar. All right. Then I did my oven barbecue ribs. They just fall apart. The sauce is wonderful. I have leftover sauce. Again, yes. We'll be using it, I promise. I'll get both of those recipes up. Today, because I haven't done this recipe, the recipe I'm doing today, I haven't done in several months. As you know, because I went on a year where I basically didn't repeat anything. But this sounded just really good, even though the weather's going to be around 90 degrees today. It's a good hearty meal, and I just love it. And that's my meat sauce over long pasta. I mean, you could put this over pasta. It doesn't matter. It's just good. Let's take a look. Got the hardware going. 2 Dutch ovens, 1 for pasta, 1 for sauce. Today I'm using elk hamburger, a chub of hot Italian sausage, about use half about these baby bellas, which I'll cut down even further. I'll dice up these carrots, some red pepper, some red onion, garlic. Of course, there's garlic. Parmesan for garnish later. You know, the topping when it gets on the plate or bowl, whatever we use. And for the sauce, okay, there's olive oil, obviously, to help brown this stuff up. But I use 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, tomato puree, and crushed tomatoes. Everybody has different combinations. I like the Cento brand. Honey. I don't use sugar, but I use honey. The whole purpose to use sugar is to reduce the acidity from the tomato products. I add a dash or 2 of Worcestershire sauce from Lee & Perrins. I also add just about a third cup or to half cup of red wine. I will be probably using linguine. I definitely will be using linguine. It's because that's all I have. Part of the sauce is basil, oregano, thyme, cumin, just a pinch or 2 of red pepper flakes, and I have Italian herb blend as a backup. There'll be some fresh parsley, and then I'm doing my garlic bread. So this is actually an artisan loaf from Bel Air. This is actually a garlic loaf, which will get plenty of butter and garlic and Parmesan and yummy. And there's the cheesecake from yesterday. Obviously, Robin and I had a couple pieces last night, but there's the cheesecake from yesterday. I'd show you the ribs, but they're not pretty when Yeah, I'm surprised. Robin's actually up at her brother's again, helping him out again today, so she gets to come home to the wonderful aromas actually, of this beautiful sauce I'm going to be making today and the garlic bread. Oh, yeah. So on this Memorial Day, remember the fallen, eat great food, and have fun cooking.